If you're visiting this YouTube channel for the first time, do subscribe. I'll be posting more videos on assignments preparations and IGNOU exams. In the first part of this video, we'll be analyzing only annotations of question number 1, starting from A to G, and in the second part, we'll analyze from questions 2 to 7. The first 4 lines, as you can see, are taken from the Canterbury Tales, which is a collection of 24 stories coming over 17,000 lines written in the Middle English, in other words, the late 15th century, written by the famous author Geoffrey Chaucer. Talking about Chaucer, he's the father of English literature and he is widely considered as the greatest English poet of the Middle Ages. In addition to that, he is also the first poet to be buried in Poets' Corner in Westminster Abbey in London. At this point of time, the dominant literary languages in England were French and Latin. But Chaucer's work was very crucial in legitimizing the literary use of the Middle English vernacular at this period of time. As you may know, the Canterbury Tales are stories or tales presented as a part of storytelling context by a group of pilgrims as they travel together on a journey from London to Canterbury to visit the shrine of St. Thomas Becket at Canterbury Cathedral. What you can see on the left hand side is the first page of the Knight's Tale in the general prologue of Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. The pilgrims talk about the manners and the clothes and other characteristics and features of the knight, which is the first story told by the pilgrims on their journey. And that's the content of the first 4 lines given in the question paper. So they start talking about the knight and they say, despite his huge success and his noble lineage, he was very practical, self-disciplined and humble. He had never said anything bad about another person. He truly was the most perfect knight in every way possible. To talk about his clothes, he rode fine quality horses, but he didn't wear flashy clothes. He wore a simple cotton shirt that had stains all over it from the chain mail he had worn in the war he had just won, just before starting out on the pilgrimage to Canterbury.